still here. Good news is I have not got any water in the oil, so nothing got by the seals. There's still a chance I might have sucked up some water last night, but it didn't start missing until about halfway here. So I'll just have to put the big scanner on it at some point. I'm gonna leave it in here with the fans on it for a couple days. And hopefully it'll dry itself out. Hopefully. And I ordered some touch-up paint for the hood. Put that little square back on. Hey, man, the bar is getting down. And let's check out this truck that I've got in the shop right now. So the lady that owns it, her dad was, it was his truck, and he was a painter for auto body and paint, and he painted this before he passed away. I call it the ZZ Top truck because it looks like it's got like the ZZ Top logo on the hood. It's kind of cool. Like fake wood grain on the lower part of the bumper. It's a nice truck. They take care of it. It's got dents and dings and miles and all that great stuff on it, but it still goes. It's 4-wheel drive, push button 4-wheel drive. I like it. It's cool. Got all them Eagles. Eagle power, baby. Alright, I got the Beamer running. I washed it. I also got my door panels in. Pretty freaking cool. Over there. So far so good. She sounds good. She's still dirty on the inside. But she's running right in the middle. Fan is on. We're gonna go ahead and roll down the windows. I hadn't shut it off because I'm trying to charge the battery. You can see that's mud and dirt. Mud and dirt. Where it flooded. So but I'm happy to have it back running. So I think I need to call Steve and ask some questions about the Mustang, and see you in a little bit. Bye. Alright, so on my way home from the shop, in the E36, and yeah, I'll go this way. And I stopped and got gas because it's been sitting since December, and it's been running on all its cylinders the whole day. I've just been letting it run after I fixed it, and listen to that. It's lost a cylinder. I don't know, it's not smoking, but it is running like shit. There's no power, shaking real bad. It threw an engine light for a second and went back off. So I've either got a bad injector or I got an ignition issue. So last time I pulled the plugs looked good, but I've never changed the coils in this car. They look factory, excuse me, and the car's got 216,000 on it. So hopefully it's just a coil issue. Either way, I gotta order it, which means I gotta drive this. It sounds like a Subaru. It's that STI, son. I got that STI motor in the E36. Not happy. Damn. Anyways, I'm trying to make it home. Other than that, the coolant issue is fixed. It's running cool. Unfortunately, I have no heat and it's getting cold. I got the door panels on and I'm loving it. Anyways, let's hope I make it home. If it's not one thing, it's another. I almost took the truck too before I left because it's got a full tank. I should have. But I was so excited to drive it. This thing. Oh well. Well, hopefully I'll make it home. What's up? So I ordered coils and plugs, and we are going to make sure that this is what that is. I got it here within like a day and a half. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hopefully they're made just as good as the ones that were on the car. The ones that were on the car had 216,000 on them, same brand. So I figure they gotta be pretty good, right? I got 8 of them and then 3 spark plugs. So, yay! At some point we're gonna pull the Beamer in and fix it. I hope. All right. Time to knock out some plugs and curls. Bosch R6s in there, which have worked pretty good. Now I'm putting NGK Rs in there, which is a little different. So hopefully, what's up, Go Fast fam? So, taking a Beamer home, got everything fixed on it except for a belt tensioner. Seems to be running pretty good. When I say running pretty good, I mean like running the best that it's been. Let's see. Holy shit. Yeah. So she's getting down just a tad. I'm gonna pull over right here for a second. Okay. I think it threw a transmission coat because I didn't let off the shift. Let's see. God bless. Yeah, she is flying today, son. Whee! Sounded nasty too. Alright, I gotta cut this shit because I'm in Bell meeting. But yeah, she's running fantastic. Coils and plugs definitely did their job. Coolant staying good. See, it's dead in the center. I don't even have the fans turned on right now. Yeah, running good. Took the AC belt off so it doesn't have that pull on it right now. And that helped a lot too, especially with throttle response. And it's burbling a little bit more too, which I like. But yeah, I will holler at you in the next video. Thanks for watching.